This week on Sailing Friki Tiki, meet one of our new tribe members. Yep, that's right.
Beach! First time!
I will in a second.
Good morning. Today, the Friki Tiki is nestled in Sandspur Island. This is where we start today's adventure. A nice little island nestled in the heart of Miami. You would never know that this island was here unless, of course, you visited it. This island's really pristine. On any given day, Monday through Friday, this island is pretty quiet. And it's a way to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. The island is popular amongst paddleboarders and kayakers, most of them which rent from Alita River State Park, which is actually very close to this island. There's also a lot of wildlife. There's manatees, stingrays, and an abundance of fish. This is actually the weekend. And no, it's not that quiet today. There's actually a lot of boats here today. A lot of big boats. We are between two rather sizable yachts. As I wake up in the morning, you'll notice that people actually camp here. Whether they're kayaking or whatnot, they camp on the island. So last night, somebody got real creative and did this cool barbecue pit. Let's check it out. It's pretty cool. 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh.
Alright, so.
And then I'm gonna go swimming.
Alright, where are we going today?
Sandbar.
Okay, so here we go. Off to the sandbar. Again, this is not your typical day at the sandbar. Nope, this is a spring break weekend. As you can see, hundreds and hundreds of boats. Yes, this is the Haulover Sandbar. Let's take a little tour. As you see in this 360 view, there is a countless amount of boats here. I can't even begin to count. But I would guess somewhere in the upper hundreds. Definitely the upper hundreds. Let's take a little tour. Let's go to the outer stretches of the sandbar. As we start going out to the outer stretches, the boats seem to get bigger and space a little bit wider. But the party is still ongoing. Many of these boats raft up together to create bigger parties. as we get closer to the hull of the marina, you see that there's plenty of safety boats, such as Coast Guard, fire boats, and police boats, always patrolling. I feel rather safe here. Now that we're done taking a view topside, let's go down on the dinghy. So here we go. This is typical Sandbar weekend. So here at the Sandbar, you'll see plenty of salsa, plenty of music, plenty of fun, plenty of girls, plenty of guys, plenty of kids, plenty of dogs, plenty of almost everything. But definitely a plenty of fun. You see that little guy kayaking? Yeah. Well, you'll see a few of them. You can actually order delivery from the food boats. Yep, that's right. You have a boat, simply call into the food boat, place your order, tell them approximately where you are and what kind of boat and color or name of your boat, and they will deliver anywhere on the Sandbar. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool and pretty clever. It seems like there's a jumble of music. You go from section to section, from salsa to reggaeton to bachata to sometimes country. I guess it depends on whose boat has the loudest music and who do you want to hang out with. Well, who is that on front of our tiki? Well, I'll let her introduce herself. She is the newest Tiki tribe member.
Yes, so I'm Valarie. I'm born in Colombia, raised in Miami. The first time I'm here actually at this little island. It's very nice. You have Miami. It looks great. I'm excited to be a part of the Friki Tiki tribe. And I don't know, let's see what's gonna happen today. We're gonna take a few pictures and have a good time and enjoy the boats today.